I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating or opening a catalog. This keeps your edits organized and portable. Once done, import photos using copy or add, apply metadata and a basic keyword preset to speed future searches. Make sure Lightroom's library and develop panels are visible so you can switch fast. Next, do a quick cull in grid or survey view to reject obvious failures. Flag keepers with the P key. This first sweep saves time later and prepares only the best frames for editing. Now you move into the Develop module to shape light and color. Start in Basic, fix exposure and set contrast, then recover highlights and lift shadows to preserve detail. Use the tone curve for precise contrast and the HSL panel to tweak hue, saturation, and luminance. This isolates colors without global harm. For problem areas or enhancements, use graduated and radial filters, plus the adjustment brush for localized edits. Feather and flow settings control subtlety. Once comfortable, sync settings across similar shots to work efficiently. To finish, export images with the right file type, resolution, and color space for your use. Apply output sharpening and choose a clear destination folder. If you need variations, create virtual copies or snapshots instead of duplicating files. Make sure to back up the catalog and original files. If you encounter performance issues or strange color shifts, reset the develop settings on one image as a test. Also clear Lightroom's cache and toggle GPU acceleration. These steps usually resolve odd behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.